How to change your shop name on Redbubble. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can actually change your shop name on Redbubble. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you'd like to basically change your shop name on Redbubble, which is an online e-commerce platform where you basically sell your products, right? You have to understand that when you first registered for a shop or a seller account on Redbubble, you submitted a legal document that actually also included the name of your shop in a legal manner. So basically, if you want to change it, you can see that wherever you go in all the tutorials on Google and everywhere else, you will not find the option to do so because everybody just has clickbait videos. But do not worry, I'm going to give you a legit solution, because if you cannot actually change the shop name on Redbubble, the only thing you can do is to contact the customer care. So I will show you how you can contact the customer care and then have them change the shop name for you. So why don't you think of that earlier? Because if you cannot do it yourself, you can just contact the customer care. That is why they are there to support you 24/7 times of the day. So basically, you can just go and type in Redbubble number. If you see the number pop up, that's perfectly fine. If not, then what you can actually try to do is just go to the contact page. I'll make sure to drop a link, and then here you can say contact support now button. Just click on the contact support now, and basically it'll take you to this page where you can actually approve whatever you want to. But if you want to talk to a real person, from the bottom right you'll find the little chat icon over here. Just click on the chat icon, and then over here they're actually going to give you a bot, right? So over here, as you can see, it says if our support bot is unable to assist you, your agents are standing by to assist. So just go ahead and select any of the account or any of the options over here, and basically what you want to do is, if you want to talk to a real agent, you want to go ahead and simply let them know that you want to change your shop name, and then they should be able to help you with that. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.